Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, and we're going to show you over this period piece of Colclough Harlequin Ballet. This is in the apricot-y pink version. They made very many different shades of pink, and it's quite difficult when you're looking online to know whether they're digitally enhanced or not. Hence we're making this video so you can get a real feel for the quite reddy apricot-y russety pink version that this is. Nice period Colclough marks, Longton, made in England. This dates this to pre-1955, so you're looking post-war through to around 55, 56 on this. And the pattern reference number detailed there by the decorator 7741 on this particular version. D-shaped period teacups, a slight indent scalloped rim, as you can see here, not a plain rim. It's got these little indents into it where it just depresses a little bit. And then you've got the very nice clean gilt line inside and the gilt around the rim. Again, detailing on the handle both sides and down the outer aspect, and then dual wasting on this D shape where it just nips in before going down onto the pedestal base. Superb condition considering its age. The saucer plate, probably 5.5. We will have all the measurements on the website listing. I haven't actually measured this or checked the listings yet, but just look at that rolling scallop ring, beautifully pink ground around all the outer aspect, and this central white porcelain depression with good gilt all the way around, again matching Colclough marks, and a square probably 6.25 inch side plate, round central portion with the gilt in really fine condition, and matching china marks. Really nice trios in absolutely superb condition. I think we've got 3 or 4 of them going on listings. We haven't checked them all over completely to make sure that the condition's absolutely fine before listing. We do so. We'll pop a link description taking you through to this trio, and I think we've got a sugar basin and milk jug from the same era going online as well in the same colour. Thanks for watching.